Hey guys, so today I'm making Trains vs. Cars because I have no other games to play right now. So yeah. Now I was gonna play MO2 NPCs, but then I think Connor would think I'm copying him, but for now we're going to be playing this game.
Yeah. Nadie como no hay un sustituto para ese cuerpo tuyo que a mí ya me tiene cuco. En un rato te busco.
Okay, I'm trying to get a school bus because, like, why not? So I don't know what the main point of the game is. I think you're just supposed to drive your vehicle into the trains and die. Oh, okay, I guess I'm not unbreakable anymore. Yeah. So my recording failed, but that's okay. So let me just make sure. Okay. But what the hell? Someone kidnapped me, I think. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get this vehicle, cause do gonna do roll me on it. Guys, should I at the end do like what Jesse did and put like EastEnders? I might do that. Oh my god, I'm unbreakable. Oh yeah, I did play this game before actually. I used it for the unbreakable edit. Help me. Can I just drive on the track? I'm trying to drive on the track. The fuck? Okay. Oh, I can get a train.
Play the train driver.
Oh.
Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah. Ee, ooh, ah.
What is wrong with me? I think I have cancer. Sorry for making a cancer joke, guys. I didn't mean it. Just surrender us to the summer of... Renlish told me one day when she hears that noise as she screams. I was a bit concerned for her, but yeah, I know it's kind of weird. What the fuck? I swear to fucking God, if I die one more fucking time, someone is going to get backshot. Gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast. Uh-oh. No. Help me. Help.
Thomas, what the hell?
Help.
Oh. But I guess I'm getting free pork.
Free pork.
Just surrender us to the summer of love. Thomas? Is that you, Thomas? Choo choo. Choo choo, bitch. What the? Excuse you, fatty. This is Ohio limo. This is not a real limo. Is that Thomas? Thomas! Oh. I guess Pigwarn? I'm stuck. Connor, free me. Later, loser. Connor. I'll milk it now. Watch this, guys. I'm unbreakable. The fire burns, the wind has blown. Oh. Oh. Thomas! Tom. Just surrender us to the summer of love. And I don't know why I keep saying Jim's intro, but I just love the song. Thomas. Tom. Oh. Hey, big boy, what's your name? My name is Jessie. Jes. Oh, she's so annoying. She keeps saying that. Like, no, I'm not a big boy. Shit. Just surrender. What the fuck, Thomas? What the fuck? Oh, ooh, Chuck. Oh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, oh, ooh, ee. Can someone press the button for me? I'm unbreakable. Thomas! Thomas! Come back, baby! That's something Rinna says every day, and it's very concerning. Oh my god, yes, these are so gonna save me. Kill me, bitch! Yeah, you suck, loser. You both suck. Trains are for pussies. Oh. Trains can't kill me because I'm unbreakable. Trains are so weak. Come on, train. Come on. Kill me. Oh. Thomas! Tom! Oh. The train didn't kill me, but it killed my hair. Okay, I'm getting rid of you. But trains still can't kill me. Not even Thomas can. Oh. Guys, we don't talk about that. What's wrong with Thomas? We do not talk about that ever again. But so I'm gonna beat this. Thomas, kill me! Yes, baby! Rinna said that to me the other day, and it was very concerning because she wanted to be killed by him. My truck faggot. What is happening? Okay, if I die, the video ends. What the fuck? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to subscribe. Why is there a train in the lobby? I don't know. But yeah. Bye, guys.